Jeff with Precision Replacement Parts. Today I'm going to show you how to install a WFK 111067. Fits a 67 and 72 full-size GM truck. Please check our website for complete make, model, year information. It comes in a wide variety of kits as well. Here are the tools you'll need. Right now we're ready to remove the belt lines. I'm going to use the clip removal tool and have the window all the way down to give me complete access to the belt line. I'm going to take the tool and I come find the clips where they are on the door. I'm going to come behind them, carefully pull them out. So what you're going to end up doing is actually bending the metal clip tab a little bit, and that's okay because you're not going to reuse these. And you get it out. And what you also want to be careful of is as you're pulling this out, you can easily bend the actual metal door here. So you'll have to go back and make sure that if you did bend anything to make sure it's straight before you put the new piece on. And now you're ready to do the outer. The outer you're going to do the same way, except that it's actually tucked in by the vent window, so start on this end for sure. Now you're ready to reinstall the new parts. As you can see, I went ahead and taped the edges of the door here to protect against scratching, as these clips can do quite a bit of damage to your paint if you're not paying attention. And the front end, which is angled, goes toward the vent. And I also pulled out the glass run a little bit because it needs to go behind the glass run, and this will just be a little bit easier to do. So you want to start with the back and push it behind the glass run. And now you're going to have to make sure that these clips line up with the slots. And once they do, you can start pushing them in. Now make sure that the edge of the clips actually start in the hole before you start pounding these down, because once you start pounding them down, they're pretty difficult to get out. Okay. All right, ready to put the outer in. The side that's notched goes towards the vent window because it'll actually slide between the vent and the door panel. You want to go ahead and slide the front in all the way, get the clips lined up. Once you have the clips lined up, be careful you don't scratch your paint as you're doing this. And the rear rib is going to line up right to the glass run. Start the clips in the hole and then gently go through and push them through until you're all seated into place. And we'll roll up the window to make sure that everything works correctly. And you're done.